I think the lessons at Ace Your POA is very interactive and engaging, and he's very in-depth with his explanations, and he's very open to questions, which is really helpful. Mr. Alex's notes are very concise and very precise, and a lot of my school notes don't have specific questions, so yeah, he provides that for us.
Yeah, I feel that the lessons is much more productive, and the resources given by Mr. Craig is well detailed and prepared for our students.
Now, in recent years, 7 out of 10 of our students was able to score a distinction grade at the GCE examination. The reason why our students was able to do well is because we have a proven framework that was able to meet students from all walks of life.
I found the notes very useful that I can look through close to the exam and I could still remember the notes.
Mr. Alex really goes through each and every single theory so precisely. Every single step is so meticulous that even I would understand.
It's not just all about studying also, but it's very interactive. I enjoy going for intensive lessons.
If we have questions or anything that we need, we can head to the center and ask him anything. And it's also during his free time, so I appreciate it.
Ace Your POA is not just about grades, but it's actually about the learning experience. When I first started Ace Your POA, we have the mission to make a difference in a child who is struggling with principles of accounts. Very often, students refuse that accounting is a math subject, but the truth is, it is actually a life skill. What if I told you that your child can do well in POA and pick up on life skills that will be applicable in their daily life?
Mr. Craig is a great teacher, and he cares for us individually for our well-being, and I find that harder to find at school.
I appreciate Mr. Craig's help. In mid-years, I got F9 for my POA, then in prelims, I had A1.
Last time I was like F9 on my POA. I 31%. After seeing Mr. Craig's notes, I now D3.
With more than 14 years of teaching experience, I'm confident to say that Ace Your POA is able to help your child to do well with principles of accounts.
Compared to like other people, you got the Mr. Craig advantage. It's the buff.
Thank you, Mr. Craig, and thank you, Mr. POA.
If you're interested in our programs, click the link around this video, or better still, drop us a call today. Once again, my name is Alex, the Principal Tutor at Ace Your POA. I wish to make a difference in your child.